Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. A shop tracks the number of items sold each hour during opening hours. The data is shown in the following table. Time in hours after opening, paired with items sold. Hour 1 sold 24 items, Hour 2 sold 35 items, Hour 3 sold 35 items, Hour 4 sold 48 items, and Hour 5 sold 52 items. Determine whether this relation is a function. Explain your reasoning using the definition of a function. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Let's start by identifying every input and output from the table. Each row gives us one ordered pair. 1 maps to 24, 2 maps to 35, 3 maps to 35, 4 maps to 48, and 5 maps to 52. The set of all inputs is called the domain, and the set of all outputs is called the range. Before we can answer, we need the definition of a function. A relation is a function if and only if every input is paired with exactly one output. So the key question to ask is, does any input value appear more than once with a different output? Now let's check the inputs one by one. The values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 each appear exactly once in the input column. Not a single input value is repeated, so there is no chance that one input is matched to two different outputs. You might have noticed that the output 35 shows up twice. That's fine. The rule only says each input must have exactly one output. It says nothing about two different inputs sharing the same output value. So having 35 appear for both Hour 2 and Hour 3 is perfectly acceptable. We can now state our conclusion. Yes, this relation is a function. Every input value in the domain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is paired with exactly one output. The fact that two different hours both resulted in 35 items does not break the rule. The relation satisfies the definition of a function. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.